Hi there, I'm Michelle Fox, and I'm the Executive Director and founder of TreeSong Nature Awareness and Retreat Center. It's a small nonprofit out on the Washougal River, and it offers programs for all ages, and it's all about nature connection and the arts. And the MAP program was awesome. I can't recommend it enough. It was a joy to work with the students. There was always very dynamic, exciting meetings, and they really included me and came up with solutions that we are implementing, all of them. So we've done some already, and already are planning on doing more. So yeah, I would just highly recommend it. It's such a great support, and they really considered. They had all the considerations down for what a nonprofit needs and what we needed individually. So go for it. Do it.